Have you ever looked at a platinum ring or necklace and wondered what makes it so special? It's sleek, heavy, and usually comes with a jaw-dropping price tag. But behind that polished shine lies a wild journey, one that starts miles beneath the Earth's surface and travels through heat, chemistry, and craftsmanship. Today on Origin Stories, we're cracking open the tale of platinum, one of the rarest, toughest, and most valuable metals on Earth. Platinum isn't just uncommon, it's nearly mythical. To put it in perspective, if you gathered every ounce of platinum ever mined, it could fit inside your living room. Unlike gold, which often shows up in large veins, platinum hides in tiny amounts, often clinging to other metals like nickel or copper. The richest platinum reserves are deep in the earth, with South Africa's Bushveld complex holding nearly 70% of the world's supply. Russia and parts of North America also contribute, but South Africa is the undisputed platinum capital. Even so, mining it is no easy task. Digging up platinum is like chasing whispers in stone. South African miners often tunnel more than a kilometer underground just to reach deposits. The rocks are then blasted loose and hauled to the surface by the ton. And from each ton of ore, miners may recover only a few grams of platinum. Imagine moving a mountain just to find a paperclip-sized sliver of metal. The crushed rock is mixed with water and chemicals in giant vats. Air is pumped through the slurry, and the platinum clings to bubbles that float to the surface, a technique called froth flotation. Sounds like science fiction, but it's how the precious stuff begins its escape from stone. At this point, you still don't have pure platinum. What's recovered is a gritty mix of metals known as the platinum group, including palladium, rhodium, and a few other rare elements. To separate them, the mix is smelted at over 1,500 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava. The molten mess is divided into waste and a metal-rich portion called matte. From there, a chemical process begins that's as intense as any sci-fi experiment. One method, called aqua regia, uses a mix of nitric and hydrochloric acid so powerful it can dissolve platinum itself. Over time, and through repeated filtering, platinum is isolated as a fine grey powder called platinum sponge. It may not look like much, but that powder is nearly 100% pure. Once purified, platinum is melted again in furnaces reaching 1,700 degrees Celsius, then poured into molds. The result? Bars, ingots, or sheets of solid platinum ready for shaping. Jewelers turn these into rings, watches, and other high-end pieces. But jewelry is only part of the story. More platinum goes into catalytic converters than into engagement rings. In cars, it helps clean up exhaust by speeding up chemical reactions without changing itself. That's the power of a catalyst. You'll also find platinum in medical tools, chemotherapy drugs, electronics, fuel cells, and even deep space probes. With so much effort to find, extract, and refine it, plus its resistance to tarnish and corrosion, it's no wonder platinum costs so much. It's heavier than gold, more durable, and shines for decades without losing its luster. But beyond function, platinum has taken on symbolic power. Where gold is about wealth, platinum screams exclusivity. Think platinum card, platinum status. These aren't just marketing terms. They reflect the metal's image as a cut above the rest. So next time you see a platinum watch or hear about someone hitting platinum sales numbers, remember, that sleek metal has survived heat, acid, and time itself. It's more than just a fashion statement. It's the product of ancient geology, industrial grit, and modern science. Thanks for joining us on Origin Stories. If there's a small detail of the world you're curious about, drop it in the comments, and you might just see it in a future episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another deep dive into the things hiding in plain sight.